With the 5 yellow authority star in power in 2022, you can expect progress if you take on challenges bravely. Observe and adapt to changes quickly, and you'll be able to handle all situations with ease. Channel your inner tiger spirit and be decisive when you strike. I'm Master Mark Tan from Yearly Fengshui Group, and we have put together some easy to follow home feng shui tips for you to smash your goals for the year ahead. Whether you're looking to scale your business, advance up the career ladder, or change jobs, pay extra attention to your main door and study room. If your main door or study room lies in the southeast or east sector, benefactor stars will bring you opportunities that could give your business and career an extra boost, especially if you have snake and rabbit in your Bazi chart. Other than that, your main door and study room should be kept bright and airy to make sure opportunities can reach you unhindered. As the saying goes, harmony begets wealth. As we spend more time at home due to the pandemic, we may find ourselves having to deal with more conflicts with our family. Our living room, which is where the main energy of our home resides and circulates, plays an important role for the harmony and wealth of our household. If your living room lies in the south or northwest, then your wealth luck is strong in 2022. If you have rooster, pig, or horse in your Bazi chart, then even better. Keep your living room tidy and welcoming. If you find yourself being restless and agitated, make sure to check the sector your living room sits in. Health and relationships should be the #1 priority for every household. All good energy starts from a firm and strong foundation. The rooms that govern these aspects are the bedroom and kitchen. If your kitchen or bedroom sits in the southwest in 2022, you need to watch out for illnesses or injuries, especially if you have ox and goat in your Bazi chart. However, if your bedroom or living room is in the east or west, then great. Your relationship luck is strong, and you'll be able to build strong relationships and strengthen existing ones too. Feng Shui and astrology is about time, space, and our mindset. Having the right mindset sets our strategy and directs our energy to the right places. Knowing the right time through understanding our zodiac luck and Bazi gives us the knowledge of knowing the right time to execute certain plans. And finally, understanding our space and our surroundings helps us tap into its energy, maximizing it to our benefit to unlock all possibilities. If you want to find out what mindset you need, when's the right time for you, and how to tap into good energy in 2022, sign up for our Chinese Zodiac and Feng Shui workshop at czfs.sg. I promise you that you will have a mind-blowing experience as you learn how to optimize your potential. Make 2022 a roaring good year for you, and I'll see you there. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels. Here's wishing everyone a prosperous and roaring 2022.